Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 11 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. Now to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me, but in your case you want to make sure that the content that you want to capture is visible on your screen. Once it is, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound with a pop-up, you have scroll and share options, and after a moment this little image disappears. Once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application, so right over here. And by default, you most likely will see it right over here on the newest spot of your media. But you can also navigate later on into the albums and quickly locate it in the screenshots folder. Now this folder will contain strictly screenshots and screen recordings, as you can probably see right here. But the newest one obviously will be the one that I have literally just captured, and there it is. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.